Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error Safari cannot open the page on your MacBook. If you are also facing this issue, make sure to watch till the end because I will be sharing 5 easy and effective solutions. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Open another app like Mail or the App Store to confirm the internet is working. If your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, simply restart your router. Solution number 2. Clear Safari caches and history. Next, let's clear Safari caches and history. Open the Safari browser. From the top menu, click Safari. Tap on Setting Preference. Go to the Privacy tab. Click Manage Website Data. Then select Remove All. Then tap on Done. On your can simple go to Clear History and remove everything. Solution number 3. Check DNS settings. Now let's check your DNS settings. Go to the Apple menu. Tap on System Setting. Select Network. Select your Wi-Fi and click Details. Open the DNS tab. Add Google DNS. Save and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This step usually fixes the issue for many people. Solution number 4. Disable extensions. Sometimes Safari extension can cause problems. Open the Safari browser on your Mac. Go to Safari. Tap on Setting. Select the Extensions tab. Disable or uncheck all extensions, then try loading the page again. If the page works, you will know one of your extension was the issue. Solution number 5. Reset Safari. If none of the above solution work, let's reset Safari. Open Safari. Go to Setting. Tap on Advanced. Enable Show Develop menu in the menu bar. From the top menu, click Develop. Select Empty Caches. Restart Safari. That should completely refresh the browser. So guys, these were the 5 simple solutions to fix Safari cannot open the page on your MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.